A single twitch, a subtle nose crinkle, and suddenly, the whole crowd held their breath. Was the royal guard about to sneeze? The Queen's Guard doesn't flinch, but even the mighty must battle pollen. This is the legendary story of a sneeze that almost broke protocol, and how one man's nostrils almost went viral. It was peak allergy season in London. Flowers blooming, pollen thick in the air. Corporal Dean stood tall outside the palace gates. Posture perfect, eyes alert, nose twitching. A gust of wind brought with it a swarm of pollen. He sniffed once, then again. Tourists noticed. Phones came up. A chant began. Will he sneeze? He blinked rapidly. His lips tensed. It was coming. One girl whispered, "This could be history." Corporal Dean's upper lip trembled. Eyes squinted. Nostrils flared. Then, nothing. A pause. Then, he swallowed the sneeze. Crowd. Oh, h. Applause erupted. Tourists cheered like he just landed a backflip. The moment became meme-worthy. Royal sneeze denied. Most British thing ever. His Majesty's mucus battle. He didn't flinch, didn't sniffle, just blinked and moved on. Guinness World Records never called, but the internet did. It was the sneeze that almost happened, but didn't, because discipline isn't just about standing still. It's about suppressing sneezes in front of 300 tourists and 20 pigeons. Legendary. Comment, bless you, if you've ever held in a sneeze in public. Tag someone who would have exploded.
OK， 换台。Все, стоишь. Влезаешь. Хорошо.
Пошли. Идем? Пожалуй, de gidiyor. Gelin onu. ¿Queréis una vosotros?
What's on board, guys? I don't know. Oh, he looks at the camera.
Stai oltre
Like it.
Stop.
Just left already. Done.
Experience the heart of London. Subscribe to Mits in London and never miss a story.